Make rainbow colors. Take a card sheet with 3 overlapping windows. Apply glue around the windows. Stick transparent colored papers over them. Now you can take it outside. If you fold the blue on the yellow window, what do you see? Green. Now if you shut blue on the red window, you see purple. And now if you do yellow on red, you will see orange. Now if you want to make a multicolored flower, you can take 2 of these discs with colored windows and fix them with a press button. Now if you turn the discs one against the other, you have a beautiful multicolored flower.